Hi, I'm Graham. I'd like to do a crowdfunding project to predict the outcome of football matches. I've chosen football because they have a definite result at the end of each game. It's either a win for the home team, the away team, or it's a draw. I could have chosen other domains. The problem potentially is that we could get better predictions if we carry on for a bit longer. Maybe there's not a definitive result. I aim to use evolutionary algorithms. These algorithms are based on Darwin's principles of natural evolution, so we evolve to solutions to problems rather than go through a strict algorithmic approach, which is the more usual approach. And I've got quite a lot of experience of using these algorithms in the previous research that I've done, which you can read about on my homepage, and I'll tell you more about that a bit later on in this video. If I do this, and we get good prediction algorithms, we can compare those predictions against other prediction algorithms from the scientific literature. We could compare against what the bookmakers think. We could compare against what newspaper tipsters think. So we can compare against quite a lot of other methodologies to see how effective these evolved algorithms are. If the project's funded, I will write a book, I will maintain a blog on a specific blog website, and I will tweet about it. So hopefully there'll be quite a lot of interaction with the project sponsors. And you can read about the rewards on the website, and there's quite a lot there. So you'll get draft chapters of the book, you'll get asked or told about the predictions. You could get a complete copy of the book. I could even come and visit you if you fund the project to a suitable value. So hopefully you'll see some interest in the project and you'll find it interesting enough to actually support it. And if that's the case, then I look forward to working with you as we progress through the project. The algorithms that we're going to use are actually inspired by Charles Darwin and his ideas of survival of the fittest. In this paradigm, we create a population of predictors and they compete against one another to survive into the next generation. The ones that don't do so well we kill off, and they're replaced by breeding from the best population members in order to create new algorithms which we hope over time will gradually evolve to be better and better predictors. I'm just showing you here a small selection of previous work drawn from the scientific literature where other researchers have tried to predict the outcome of football matches. We will of course draw heavily on that work, and this is really just a small sample of what is available. We'll also look at other techniques such as artificial neural networks, which is one of the most commonly used predictive tools, and we'll combine that with evolutionary computation, so we'll try and evolve neural networks as predictors. Those previous papers were all written by other researchers. I just want to show you some of the papers I've written to demonstrate that I'm qualified to do this project. This first page shows some of my papers on evolutionary computation, which is going to be an important area for me to look at. This next page shows you hypereuristics and the papers I've written. This is a relatively new area and one that's not really been used in the context of forecasting and prediction, so it'll be interesting to see how it does there. And this final page shows some of my research on sports and artificial neural networks, which is obviously very relevant to this project. If you want to see more about me, take a look at my homepage at www.graham-kendall.com. I also have a blog which you can access from my homepage. If this project is funded though, I will set up a separate and specific blog just for this project. Finally, I'm also on Twitter and my handle is @Graham_Kendall. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you can see some benefit in the project and are able to help out. If not, that's fine. If you are, I'll see you on the blog or the Twitter or however we communicate once the project is funded. Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye.